Hello everyone and welcome back to the course. In this video I'm going to teach you about nested lists. So for that go to Notepad++ editor. Now create a new file. Start with the basic structure of an HTML page. Once you are done, within the body tag write OL, which stands for ordered list. So I'm selecting ordered list as my parent list and I'm going to use unordered list for my sublist. So end the OL tag. Now within this OL tag write the first item of your parent list. So I'm going to write item 1 and then start the sublist. I'm going to use UL for my sublist. So write the sublist items. I'm going to write sub item 1, then close the li tag and then write sub item 2 and close the li tag. Close the UL tag as well. Now you're done with the sublist which is under this UL tag, and you have to also close the li tag which you started right here in the beginning of item 1. So your item 1 is sorted. Now let us add another item. So for that just copy this part and paste it here. Now I'm going to change this to item 2 and I'm keeping the rest as before. So let us save this. I'm going to name it as nested list.html. I'm saving it on my desktop. Now save this and run it. So as you can see, here are the items of the parent list, item 1 and item 2, and within the sub list I have the sub item 1 and 2. You can also alter the parent and the sub list. You can use UL as your parent list and OL as your sub list as per your choice. So you can try all the combinations possible in your nested list. You can also add 3 levels of nested list. Let me show you one. So for that, within the sub item 1 I want to add one more sub item. So for that, right here you can use UL or OL as per your choice. I'm going to use UL and I'm setting the type, suppose style equals, then write list style type and then write square. You can use any style of your choice. Now we are done with UL, so close the UL tag and then within this write your item name, suppose sublist 2 and item 1, close the li tag, add as many as items you want. Now again sublist 2 item 2. Now let us stop here and save this and let's see the output. So as you can see, there are 3 levels of sublist. This is the parent list, this is the first level of sublist, and this is second level of sublist. So you can add as many as you want. So in this way you can create nested lists. Thank you for watching this video and keep watching to learn more.